Hello and welcome to another update video about the silver chart. Yeah, on the silver chart, we're still in the same range, unfortunately, okay? So I don't think we've seen evidence enough to say that a low has formed really in that wave 2. It's possible though, but then we're probably dealing with a diagonal here in this wave 1. It's certainly not a clear 5-wave move up, all right? So we would need to see a little bit more evidence there. And also, the bulls would need to turn up now. I mean, if this wave 2 really bottomed after a 5-wave move up that topped in October in wave 1, we had this pullback, which actually looks a bit more like a 5-wave move, right? So it's not clearly a wave 2. And then the move up is also really choppy. So there is not really much bullishness at the moment, especially as the decline looks again like a 5-wave move. So white count possible invalidation point is at $29.60. I'd say it's only the alternative at this stage, the way the pattern has developed. It looks more like a 3-wave move up to me from that swing low in November, around the 14th of November, where the price bottomed at $29.60. And then you could say in the yellow scenario, this is formed an ABC or WXY structure, certainly nothing impulsive to the upside, and that could mark the B wave. The price did react to that resistance area we talked about in the last video. I believe here 50% retracement is strong enough for a B wave, and the thing is the decline also again looks a bit like a 5-wave move, so I'd rather watch for further downside until the price breaks above key resistance, which we're going to take a look at now. This looks like 5 down to me, I have to say, and that means we can consider that this here is a wave 1 to the downside, we have a wave 2 to the upside, and it's doing this in a wave 2, and it might target the area around 28 to 27.24. I've added the 88.7 fib level just because how weak the B wave was, and often the A wave and the C wave have a similar length, so that means the 100% extension target is relevant. Where would it point us to? 27.46. So just between the 88.7 fib level at 27.24 and the 78.6 fib level at $28. We can leave that 100% extension target on the chart. It's just one that's relevant. It's not definitely where we need to get to, but something to watch. And there's a key resistance area on the chart, which is relevant for yellow wave 2. So the price should stay below 31.85 to keep the yellow scenario a reasonable interpretation. Any sustained break above will shift probabilities to the white count. And okay, we might say maybe this is wave 1 too, but then this looks like a 5 down, so it's a bit strange. But then yeah, I mean, either way, you know, it takes a break above 31.85, ideally in 5 waves, to suggest that the bulls are taking the lead. It just doesn't look like that at the moment structurally, price-wise. And that means we can watch, however, for possibly a corrective bounce from that area, and resistance is between $30.94 and $31.85. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.